your own risk. What's good, LAFM fam? It's your girl Fee, and today we are going to cook some air fryer chicken wings the my way, FEFE's way, the delicious, you know, smack the seasoning off the tongue way, okay? Right now I got my chicken wings in the sink and they are getting clean. I washed it a few times, add my lemon juice and stuff like that. We about to cut them. I'm about to show you how I cut mine. We making wingettes, but let's go ahead and get started. Today's dinner, we are cooking chicken wings, macaroni and cheese, and whatever side dishes I got up in the pantry, okay? Right now, we are about to cut and take off the hair because I don't want to leave no hairs on the chicken. And sometimes Walmart chicken, they be slacking lately, have the hairs. But this is how I cut my chicken. Of course, you want to cut in the middle. And I prefer using some scissors. You see how easy that was to cut it? If you get you one of these, it was like 2 in a pack at Walmart for like $5 by the Tasty brand. It comes with 2 different colors too. I have one of these. Let me show you the other one I got. And it comes with this type of scissors as well. What I like about these, you can actually take them apart and it's like an easy clean in between. This one don't come apart, but I still like to use this one more than this one, you know, for that reason. But anyway, since I touched it, I'm gonna put it over here because it got chicken juice on it now. So what you want to do after you cut the middle part, you can go ahead and cut and bring it closer to y'all. I'm cutting off this wing part right here, so make sure you cut it. I'm quite sure by now you already know how to cut your chicken wings to make you some drumettes or whatever the case may be, because we all adults now. But for those that are beginners, you be like, girl, how you do it? I don't know how to cook. And look how perfect this chicken looks. Okay, perfect. So once I got my chicken cut, just rinse the excess lemon juice, because I put lemon juice and vinegar. If I don't have the vinegar, I use lemon juice. If I don't have the lemon juice, I use vinegar. So today I washed it off with lemon juice. So go ahead and get the cutting up these chicken wings. All of our chicken pieces is cut the way that we want it, and you want to drain all that excess water out the bucket, plastic bowl, whatever you use, and make sure that, you know how you rinse the chicken off and that water is sitting at the bottom, you want that to be drained out, because sometimes it be like that bloody water. Now that it's cut the way we want it and looks good to perfection, what you can do is, sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. You get your paper towel and you just block dry it, pat dry it, however you call it. In FEFE's language and term, we're gonna block dry it, alright? You want it semi-dry and semi-wet, because you want the season to stick to your chicken, because you don't want no plain Jane chicken, okay? And make sure your paper towel is heavy duty so it won't be sticking to your meat. But after you do that, let's go ahead and get the seasoning and start prepping the seasoning on this chicken. But first thing first, what we gotta do, y'all? Wash our sink. So let me go ahead and do that first. So won't be no cross-contamination. Now these are the seasoning that we'll be using in today's video. Parsley flakes, just for decoration. Then we have onion powder. I need to buy some more of that. I think I got some left in stock, because I always keep onion and garlic powder on stock. I got garlic powder. I got that Tony Satcherin spicy and herb that gives it a little Creole seasoning to the chicken. And I have saltgrass steak seasoning. I use this on all of my meat, chicken, whatever you name it, I use the beef, you know, because this may have something that this one don't, and this one may have like the garlic and onion, but you know, I still want my extra garlic and onion, you know, but they all play a part and they all taste good together. If you don't have these seasonings, you can use black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and everybody and mama should have any type of salt or some pink Himalayan salt right here. Or if you don't have that, and also we're gonna be using this, I forgot about this. We're gonna be using some smoked paprika seasoning as well. And you don't have the pink lemon salt, who doesn't have the Morton sea salt? So you can substitute this and this with this here and the pink Himalayan salt. But we're not using this today and we're not using this today. So we put them back up. This is what we're using. And let's go ahead and get the seasoning. First thing first, I forgot one more ingredient as well. We're also going to be using some extra virgin olive oil, organic, great value kind from Walmart. And I got a little bit left and I need to buy some more. But yeah, anyway, first thing first, we're going to get this saltgrass steak seasoning sauce. Splash it on there like that. One thing about FEFE, our chicken gonna be tasty and it's gonna be extra seasoned. I don't like no bland chicken, and who doesn't like no bland chicken? Okay, especially when you fry chicken. I gotta season my flour, I gotta season the chicken, I gotta, even if I'm putting something on it, like that Louisiana flour stuff, I still have to season my chicken. Okay, it's still good. Next, you're gonna add some smoked paprika on top of there. You're gonna do it like that. Just enough to have some red coating on one side of the chicken. Next, go ahead and season your meat with some garlic powder. Like that. Next, onion powder. Put that on there like that. And this saltgrass seasoning, it has the black pepper in it, as you can tell. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. But if you take a look, it has black pepper, it has garlic in it, it has other seasoning in there as well. But you know, ain't nothing wrong with adding extra. Slap some black pepper on there, like that. I already smell like an aroma going on up in here. Also, Tony Session. Now, for the people that have high blood pressure, be at your own risk. But your girl FEFE gonna use a whole lot because my kids love it. And my family love it. And we don't have high blood pressure up here. But so disclaimer, don't use all this seasoning if you have high blood pressure. Just eliminate. Go get you this no salt seasoning. And I may switch over to that. No salt season, you know, to season your meat. My hands are clean. Okay? I washed my sink. I washed my hands. Everything clean. So I don't have any gloves, so go ahead and mix your chicken like that. This is your house. If you don't want to wear no gloves and you're not afraid to touch your chicken or make love to your meat by massaging it, you go ahead and get you some gloves. But if you don't mind and you wash your hands right after, in between the rubs, then you don't need no gloves, okay? We're going to go ahead and continue to mix it just like that. And I'm going to show you how it looks before I continue to add the rest of the season, because you know you season in one side and one round. Me, I like to season 2 rounds. That's how the first round of seasoning. It still look like it's bland, right? You can still see the white. Let me wash my hands real quick, because I don't like to touch my seasoning without washing my hands. It's the round 2. You're gonna add your organic virgin olive oil. Go ahead and add a little swivel that like that. Swivel it. Swivel. About 2-3 swivels. And you go ahead and massage it to get that dark, pretty looking color. Okay? That dark, juicy. Oh, it smells so good. Do you smell what FEFE's cooking? But now that we did our round 2, and this is what it's looking like. Bada bing, bada bam. Let me see if I can turn the light on so you can see much better. Bada bing, bada bam. So what I do, after I did my second round, add the olive oil, I go in and add the Tony Session spice and herb seasoning on top of it. And I leave it at that. Because I'm telling you, it's gonna be perfect. Y'all gonna try it at your own risk. Now that we are ready, you can put your chicken in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour so it can marinate. If you don't want to wait like me because your kids is hungry and your husband's about to get off of work soon, now it's time to ready to pop these babies in the air fryer, okay? But I'm gonna let it sit for a little minute so it can get that little juice in it so I can prep my air fryer. See you when I see you. Okay, now that we got our chicken marinated and all that and your air fryer already preheated, We can go ahead and put the meat, place it inside of your air fryer the way you want to place it, okay? It don't matter. You can place it all over. It's not gonna hurt nothing as long as you are able to clean it, okay? So, I'm gonna go ahead and place my meat in here. And then you are going to put it on 380 for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes is over with, you are going to flip it over and put it in for additional 20 minutes. I do it that way, so, cause I like mine. If you like yours crispy, then yeah. If you wanna eat it at 20, I'm not sure if you can. Just check the temperature policy on Google. Cause like I said, I'm not a health anything, all right? So I like mine. Do it the way I do it, then you'll be fine. So this is what it looks like, how I placed it inside. We're gonna go ahead and put it in here. All right, 20 minutes has passed by, and this is what the chicken is looking like now. This is 20 minutes, but I'm gonna show you how it looks flipped over. So this is what it's looking like on the other side. Pretty much white and halfway done. So let's pop the baby back in there. You can leave it at 370 for 20 minutes. It ain't gonna hurt. We want this type of done, okay? I'm telling you, fire. Now there you have it, some perfect chicken wings. Now the perfect temp is really 370 for 20 minutes. Flip it over for additional 20 minutes, you get this golden brown. If you want a higher temp, higher the crunch, okay? So y'all have a good day. If you're new to my channel, this your girl FEFE. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. Don't forget to share me out. Share me out. Share your girl out, share me out on all social media sites. See you next time. See you when I see you. Peace.